too. It's that weird. Remember that spinny things, Mom?
Yeah,
That
look.
you see? That's what it looks like.
Well, I'm videotaping it. I can't get no closer look on it.
And it gets like bigger and then smaller.
I'm gonna lean on the car so I can
Mine's perfectly
be still.
so. It's like moving around because I'm not moving. It's like hovering.
I know, and I don't think it's a helicopter.
That ain't no helicopter. That's something hovering over town. What does it look like in your video?
No.
I want to show you what it looks like in mine. Let me find it. See that weird spinny thing?
Yeah, yours looks a little bit different than mine.
And we're on the same freaking thing. I can't go in no more. I wish I could.
No, I can't either. I'm gonna videotape as long as I can.
It's so
It's sort of round.
Look, it's hovering now. It's about to go over the mountains again. I don't even see it in mine. Okay.
I hope it don't disappear.
It's going to. Look, it's going. Oh no, it's coming up again. This is weird.
I wonder what it is.
It's like hovering, but then it's slowly flying that way. Oh my god, wait till you go back and you see how this thing just did.
What?
The lights were way on the right side and then they jumped back.
It's going real slow.
Real slow.
Mm-hmm.
And it
Now
was
it's
just
gonna go
over
behind
here.
them trees.
Yep.
Now it's gone.
That was weird
That
because it was
sucks.
just over here and it's
Yeah, I wonder where it'll go now.
every once in a while at nighttime I see something like that.